are pleased to show you the 2017 Buick Cascada. The Buick Cascada is extremely attractive from every angle. It is competitively priced. It drives quiet, comfortable, and comes with a lot of features. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, lane departure warning, navigation system, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, dual airbags, alloy wheels, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes, auto-dimming rear view mirror. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.